Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix or can't log into Roblox problem. So if you're trying to log in into your account and it just doesn't allows you to, then the first thing you want to check if is your internet is fast or not. Sometimes due to slow internet as well it causes this problem, so check that. And the next thing is make sure the password or email you entered over here for logging in is correct. Because if you enter incorrect login detail as well, you're not going to be able to log in into your account. But let's say that is not your problem and you're still not able to log in into Roblox. What you can do is go inside your app store and search for Roblox. Why you want to search for Roblox is to check if there is any update or not. If there's an update, click on update. But it says open, that means my Roblox is up to date. Sometimes a bug causes this problem, so updating it should fix it. And even after doing that, if it's still not fixed, what you can do is just delete your Roblox app and reinstall it again. Sometimes a common setting problem causes the issue, so deleting and reinstalling it will reset your setting and your problem should be fixed. And if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is check if Roblox servers are down or not. Because sometimes Roblox servers are down. In that case, that could be the reason you're not able to log in into your account. In that case, the only thing you can do is just wait until Roblox fixes their server. To check that, you can go into your browser and on your browser search for is Roblox down detector. You want to search for this and the first one, click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the website and it says over here user report indicates no current problem at Roblox, which means Roblox server is not down, the problem is with our device. But if it said over here Roblox was facing problem, that means Roblox servers are down and the only thing you can do is wait and after some time go to down detector again to check if their servers are on or not. So that's how you guys can fix can't log in issue in Roblox. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.